General Order Number 1 to take charge of the post and all company properties and views and protect receive with utmost diligence. General Order Number 2 to walk in an alert manner during my 2 hours of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. General Order Number 3 to report all violation of regulation and order I am instructed to enforce. General Order Number 4 to relay or calls from Postmer distant from the security house where I am stationed. General Order Number 5 to quit my post only when properly relieved. General Order Number 6 to receive OB and pass on to the relieving guard or orders from company officers or officials, supervisors, post in charge or chief leader. General Order Number 7 to talk to no one except in line of duty. General Order Number 8 to sound or call the alarm in case of fire or disorder. General Order Number 9 to call the superior officers in any case not covered by instruction. General Order Number 10 to salute all company officials, superiors in the agency, ranking public officials and officers of Philippines National Police. And General Order Number 11 to be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging and to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass or loiter without proper authority.